Ahmed is crashing Las Vegas, and someone is about to hit the jackpot. Whoever takes him home is gonna get hooked up with a Vegas-style party pad, including a two-sided fireplace. Professional landscaper Ahmed Hassan stakes out home improvement stores.
The man knows his stuff.
Looking for do-it-yourselfers who need an extra hand from a pro.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yeah. My name's Ahmed.
Hi, Missy, nice to meet you.
Missy, pleasure.
As Missy hauls in plants, work begins on the firewall. The crew secures the structure with cement. Then they wrap it in backerboard.
All right, so now we got the structure up back there.
Yes.
This is our centerpiece. This is what's going inside. We have a double-sided fireplace.
Okay.
We have ethanol fuel that's going to be our fire. Very eco-friendly.
I'm so excited to get it back there and see how it looks.
Well, let's move it back there right now.
Great, let's go. I am a pro at this, by the way, now.
The amazing reveal is next.
Oh my gosh!
A few final touches, and this Vegas crash is officially complete.
Before, dull, boring, plain, not very inviting. Now, party time, amazing, gorgeous. I'm gonna have all my friends over all the time. We've got the fireplace that's, I mean, it's so tall. And it looks amazing from any angle. It provides privacy, but it's definitely like a focal point in the backyard too.
Let's go, guys. That's it. You can finally go home. And I guess everybody goes.